Hey Windows users, did you know that with every update, Microsoft introduces new features and sometimes removes outdated ones? Here are some features that are on the chopping block and going away soon. First of all, say goodbye to WordPad soon. It's being phased out, so if you rely on it, start looking for alternatives like Word Online, Google Docs, or even LibreOffice. Next, the standalone Cortana app is being replaced by Microsoft's new Copilot AI. It's time to get acquainted with some of the new features. And number 3, if you use VBScript, it's time to find a replacement as Microsoft plans to remove it in future Windows versions. Next on the list is WebDAV, which is also getting the boot, making it harder to connect network drives if you use it. Definitely start exploring alternatives if you rely on this feature. And this next one's mostly for enterprise, but support for TLS certificates with RSA keys that are less than 2048 bits is also being removed. So make sure to update your certificates to avoid any issues. Say farewell to problem recording in Windows if you use it. Instead, consider using the snipping tool for similar functionality. Next, the Windows Mail app is being replaced by Outlook, but some users do prefer using Mozilla Thunderbird due to privacy concerns. And the command line program for running WMI queries is being replaced too. But you can still use PowerShell for similar tasks. Next, no more saving Windows on external hard drives for use on different computers because Windows to Go is also being phased out. And then finally, home groups are being discontinued as well. So if you rely on them for sharing resources, consider using workgroups or Active Directory domains instead. So if any of these functionalities impact your work, definitely plan to phase out your use ASAP. Until then, keep an eye out for some of these changes to happen in future Windows updates. Thanks for watching. And for more on Windows and other tech updates, please consider subscribing to this channel.